In today's video, I'll show you how to generate a high quality AI images for free with no limits in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for the site link. Select continue with Google. Next to quick editing tools, select view all option and scroll down. Select generate image option. And now you can open the ChatGPT and you can also check my video description for ChatGPT link. Now, for example, image generation prompt, you can ask like create a prompt to generate an image a nurse in hospital. You can change a nurse in a hospital to anywhere you want. Once the prompt created, just copy the prompt and go back to Adobe, paste the prompt in here and select generate option. Now pick the image you like and select the download option and the image has been successfully generated. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.